In today's fast-paced business world, feeling overwhelmed by managing your workforce is a common struggle. Imagine juggling multiple tasks like scheduling and communication all at once. What if there's an easier way? Connecteam, launched by visionary entrepreneurs in 2016, aims to simplify workforce management for deskless teams. With over 500,000 users and support for 36,000 companies worldwide, Connecteam is a game-changer in operations. Dive into 3 integrated hubs: operations, communications, and HR, designed to streamline your daily management tasks. The Operations Hub offers tools for time tracking, job scheduling, and easy task delegation that enhance productivity. Stay connected with your team through real-time chat, updates, and an organized directory in the Communications Hub. Simplifying HR processes has never been easier with onboarding tools, time-off management, and recognition features. Connecteam's mobile-first design ensures you can manage your workforce seamlessly, whether in the office or in the field. Ready to transform the way you manage your team efficiently? Experience Connecteam with a risk-free trial today and unlock your business potential.